Advisor of General Academics Fund, 1, Mrs. Rhoda A. Bauman. The Class Advisor of General Academics Fund, Mrs. Maria Elena Rinas. The Class Advisor of Humanities and Social Sciences 1, Mrs. Sarah J. C. Castillo. The Class Advisor of Humanities and Social Sciences 2, Mrs. Melanie B. Natesa. The Class Advisor of Humanities and Social Sciences 3, Ms. Evelyn Lopez. The Class Advisor of Humanities and Social Sciences 4, Ms. Gracialis I. Matulan. The Class Advisor of Humanities and Social Sciences 5, Mrs. Lailane C. Allen. The Class Advisor of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics 1, Ms. Yana C. Taclera. The Class Advisor of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics 2,